honey lime chicken on the griddle. Whew, it's gonna be some good groceries. This is a recipe that I did, I was at the other house when I did this, and I didn't do chicken. I have old buddy Darren Welch. If you're listening, Darren, got you, buddy. He said, Hussey, we're at church. He said, Hussey, man, that honey lime pork is the bomb. We do it on chicken too, and it is fantastic. And I said, dang it, boy. That's what I said. I said, dang it, boy. I got to do it on chicken. And that's been a while since I told Darren I'd do that. Darren, I'm sorry. It takes me a little bit to get to things, okay? But, hey, today's the day. We're doing this honey lime chicken on this daggone griddle, y'all. The chicken breast, you know, sometimes I'll butterfly them. Depends on how thick they are. These right here actually aren't too thick. I've been getting these from old buddy Todd over at Colonial Meats, and man, I love them because they're not so big. This one right here has kind of got a little bit. See, the problem is it tapers, and that's just product of the chicken. This one right here is, this one and this one's a little bit thick. So I think I'm just gonna, this is just it's a little standard old knife. Actually, it's not a standard knife. This is my old buddy Butchered Wizard. I really like and enjoy following his channel. He breaks down big pieces of meat. And I saw that he has a few knives, and I thought, shoot, very affordable. Well, I'll leave a link down below for you. These right here actually are probably all right. Yep, and I just like to just do that just for the heck of it, okay? We're gonna make up a little sauce for it. This goes really quickly. I'm gonna season these up. I'll make a little sauce for it, and I'm gonna come right back. First, I'm gonna go wash my hands because there's some jackleg in the comments just itching for me to touch something else. So I'll be right back. Don't you go anywhere, James. How are we gonna season these things? Well, I'm glad that you guys has asked me. Going with heifer dust. Heifer dust works on chicken too, y'all. Works on chicken. I'll tell you what else I like. There's a spray over here. This chicken don't have a whole lot of moisture on it. I'll just spray a little bit with this avocado olive oil spray. I've been digging these things, and this isn't sponsored by no means. I just like it. So, go on this side. We'll give it another little spray, a little sprazy. Okay. Be a link down below if you want some heifer dust. If you don't, hey, no big deal. We got our chicken. Got our chicken breast. Okay. Let's slide this kind of right there. We'll take this off. All right. Now, sauce. The sauce is pretty easy. Sauce is real easy. We're gonna take some soy sauce. I ain't got much more of this in here. I'm just gonna use all of this. This is just regular old soy sauce, okay? And then I didn't have any more of that. So this right here is just regular old low sodium Kinkomon. Use whatever soy sauce you like. All right, that's probably about maybe half cup, 3/4 of a cup. All right, honey. You wanna make sure you really put the honey to it. Make like you want honey like it owes you money, okay? Honey owes you money. Put about 1/4 cup in there, okay? I like to add a little bit of this chicken powder because this is chicken, all right? And I didn't, oh, there we go. You see that, Jacob? Be careful how you talk to me. Careful how you talk to me. Just about maybe 1/4 teaspoon, all right? A quarter teaspoon. Now, gotta make this limey. Let's roll this out like you're a masseuse. Oh yeah, oh yeah. All right, I got 2 of them, 2 limes. If you got a big lime, maybe, but limes generally aren't that big. So I got 2 limes for you. All right, and we're just gonna squeeze out. I don't know where my juicer is. I got one, all right. Somebody's gonna ask me about that too. All right, yeah. Get those forearms ready, guys. Yeah. All right. I didn't even cut that one. I've got a cut somewhere on my finger. Didn't know that. Now I do. Golly, boy. All right. What I like about this sauce is you put it over the chicken when it's cooking, and it just forms a nice little, it reduces, forms a nice sauce, gives good color, all around, really awesome. I need to give this a little taste, okay? That's good. I think it needs a little bit more honey. A little bit more honey. If you don't like it as sweet as, good night almighty. Whew. Anderson's there over there. Anderson's getting crazy over there, y'all. Andersons are getting crazy. Y'all just bear with me. Alrighty. So, I thought, you know, this right here really needs a side item. And sometimes I just say, you know, this would pair well with whatever. But we're gonna use a little bit of this ready rice, jasmine rice from old Uncle Ben. We're just gonna put that on the griddle, warm it up, and that'll be our little side item treat, okay? A little bit of this avocado spray. Just kind of pour it right down, right onto your griddle top. Got it on low, griddle on low. A little bit of water, helps steam it up. Just put a dome on it. It helps kind of steam everything. We're just gonna give that every once in a while. We're gonna just flip it, turn it on the other side. And that's basically it. It basically does itself. You wanna do more with it? Wanna make like a fried rice? You can do that, no big deal. Let's head on over to the griddle. Let's get this chicken breast down. We'll be eating here in a minute. This is a quick meal. You can probably get this together in 15 minutes flat, all right? Let's go. Coming over to the griddle, another little spray. Did I tell you all like this? These guys, who is these guys? Pompeian, holler at me. I like it. Where's my griddle? Oh, here it is. Not gonna touch my chicken, all right? My griddle, got it on it's been pre-warmed. You do wanna make sure you pre-warm. It's on a low heat right now. Dang, can anything else happen over there? Got it on a low heat. And one thing I want to kind of point out is, yeah, don't know really where your griddle needs to be, your knobs or whatever. Get you one of these. Nice little tutorial. It's a magnet. Put it right there on your griddle. Very easy reference. There's also a meat one too. So you want to do, you know, you want to know when is my chicken done? Great little magnet. Put it right there beside of your griddle or your grill. And just say, oh, chicken needs to be 165 to be safe and not kill anybody. There you go. Thank you. Be a link down below if you're interested. Our rice is looking great. Really nothing to do here. This is microwavable rice already. You want to put it in the microwave, so be it. You know, I decided to, you know, put it on the griddle. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil, a little bit more oil down, just so it don't stick. Okay. All right. Chicken, gonna let that go for about 3 minutes. We're gonna flip it, and then we're gonna put our sauce on it. Okay, so don't go anywhere. We're gonna be right back. All right, guys. Been about 2 or 3 minutes. Gonna flip these over. Look at that nice little caramelization, little Maillard reaction, not Mallard. But yeah, we're gonna let this just kind of maybe a minute on this. Let's get our sauce a little Sturzy. Don't know if I'll need all this sauce or not. Might be a good time to check on our rice too. I'm gonna leave the cover off at this point because I think we've already done enough, okay? And some of these clumps, just try to hit it with your spatula. Just hit it. I mean, don't hit it like it owes you money, like, you know, like that, but, you know, just kind of get the clumps up. I have this on low. I'm gonna pump it up a little bit. I wanna dry this rice off some, okay? And when I'm talking, you know, I'm talking about zones here. I got this a little bit on high. I got this on low. I got this on low. And if you don't even need this zone over here, cut this zone off. It's just as easy as that. That's why it's always nice to have plenty of space, all right? These chicken, actually I want to temp them. Just to see, these thinner ones, they're probably gonna be almost done. So you can see that's almost, that's 141 degrees. That's a little bit lower, it's a little bit thicker. This one's at 119. I don't know if you can see that or not, Jacob. Yeah, whoop. I went too far on that actually. I do like to pull my chicken at about 160, maybe 155 to 160 and let that carry over, help carry it to 165 so that way it's not a brick, okay? So saucy. When you put that sauce on too, it's gonna braise some. And so it'll finish cooking, I promise you. All right, so now we're just gonna put our sauce down over our chicken. And as you can see, look at this, how the sauce has just kind of, look at that. The sauce is just reduced, made it just so nice. And I got extra here. That's why I like to make plenty. So we can come back right back here again. Put a little more if you want some, okay? Yes, sirree, bobs, boys and girls. Dang it, boy. Dang it, boys. All right. Look at that. We're just gonna let that go. Actually gonna cut these off. Our rice is done, all right? Everything's just kind of just waiting on this chicken just to kind of come on up. Get a little saucy, a little saucy. All right, y'all, that's it. Let's plate these bad boys, all right? Got her some rice. And what I like about this, putting it on the griddle instead of the microwave, gets a little crispy. Kind of like a fried rice, but not fried rice, okay? I'll put a little bit of that right in the middle. You can, if you want to fry it. But, you know, don't have to. A little ricey action. A little rice, baby. Oh yeah. See that right there, Jacob? Look at that. That's crispy. That's crispy. That's hot too. God almighty. All right, I see you. Now, let's put our chicken right on top of this. Boys, I think maybe we'll just do 3. Now, take some of this sauce. Don't let this sauce go to waste. Look at that right there. Look at that right there. Come on. Come on. Now, we got extra. There we go. That's going to be a good sauce. Let's head on over to the cutting board. All right. All we got to do is dress this up a little bit. I got this a little bit of lime. So that way, you know, Uncle Bob comes in. He's like, where's the lime? I was like, right here it is, Bob. I'm going to take this little one right here. A little chicken. Whew, it is. Whenever you cut into it, you can already tell that it is juicy. Juicy, Lucy. We'll get a little bit of this sauce. Wouldn't mind having some more. Maybe I got a little bit more over there. You can put that right on the griddle, let it reduce, put it right on this, but that's okay. Ready? It's not overly sweet. It's not overly, I'm not gonna use that. That's my garnish. I'm gonna use some of this right here. It's not overly sweet. It's not overly salty from the soy sauce, but works nice, perfectly balanced. Want some of this rice. I love some rice. This right here is good. This could be a 15-20 minute meal, you know, during the week. Perfect for those busy nights. Kids are back in school now. Give us a try. I guarantee you'll love it.